The Qlife Racer electric bike stands out as a versatile and affordable EMTB designed for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. Powered by a peak 750-watt brushless motor, it offers reliable acceleration with speeds up to 22 mph, while the 21-speed gear set ensures adaptability on diverse terrains. The lightweight 48.1-pound carbon steel frame, combined with 26-inch by 2.1 tires and dual front suspension, delivers stability and a comfortable ride over bumps or trails. A key feature is its 36-volt 10.4 amp-hour UL2849 certified removable battery, offering up to top 40 miles range, PS mode, or 25 miles on throttle, with a fast 4-hour charge time. Safety is enhanced by disc brakes, a front headlight, and a rear reflector, making night or low-light rides secure. Riders can customize their journey using 4 modes: manual, pedal assist, pure electric, and walking assist, ideal for tackling hills or city streets. The included LCD display provides real-time data such as speed and battery status, while easy 90% pre-assembly simplifies setup. Backed by a 12-month warranty and responsive customer service, the Qlife Racer is a strong choice for adults seeking a capable, stylish e-bike for daily or recreational use. The Windone E2 K20 electric bike is a high-performance, all-terrain e-bike designed for riders who seek both adventure and daily commuting reliability. Powered by a 750-watt brushless hub motor, 1,000 watts peak, this e-bike reaches up to 28 mph in PAS mode and handles steep 20% gradients with ease, making it suitable for hills, trails, and city roads. The 48-volt 13 amp-hour 15 amp-hour UL-certified battery offers a range of 46.6 to 60 miles pass per charge with a reasonable 6 to 7 hour charge time, ensuring long, worry-free rides. Comfort is maximized by front dual fork suspension, rear under suspension, a 23-inch plush saddle, and 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires, delivering a smooth and stable ride on rough or uneven terrain. Riders can choose from 4 riding modes: pure electric, pass, exercise, and cruise control for flexibility in power use and effort. A standout feature is its retro off-road design, blending classic motorcycle style with modern functionality, including a sturdy metal frame supporting up to 330 pounds. Backed by 24/5 responsive customer service, the Windone E2 K20 offers great value for those wanting power, comfort, and versatility in a single package. The Isinwheel U1 electric bike offers an ideal blend of portability, efficiency, and smart performance for city commuters and teens. Powered by a 500-watt motor with intelligent uphill recognition, it effortlessly handles 15 degrees inclines while maintaining a top speed of 20 mph, making it a solid performer for urban rides. The 36-volt 7.8-hour battery, fully hidden within the frame, provides a reliable 25-mile range, pass, and can be fast charged in just 3 to 4 hours, ensuring quick turnaround between uses. Its standout feature is portability. The foldable handlebars, pedals, and adjustable seat allow the U1 to fit into compact spaces like car trunks or small apartments, taking up less than 0.15 millimeters. Despite its compact 14-inch frame, the bike is UL2849 certified for safety, equipped with dual disc brakes for all-weather stopping power and front-rear lights for visibility at night. Riders can choose from 3 riding modes: pure electric, PHAS, and manual, along with 3 assist levels, tailoring the ride to personal preference. Overall, the U1 is a smart, space-saving solution for beginners and daily urban commuters seeking convenience without sacrificing performance. The ACTBEST Core electric bike stands out as a versatile and reliable commuter option, blending performance, comfort, and durability. Featuring a 350-watt motor, 750 watts peak, and a 7-speed transmission, this step-through city-run e-bike effortlessly reaches speeds up to 22 mph and tackles mild hills and urban terrain with ease. The 26-inch tires provide a stable ride, while the 3+1 riding modes, manual, pedal assist, and pure electric, offer flexibility to suit various commuting needs. Its 36-volt 13 amp-hour removable battery charges in 4 to 6 hours, delivering a respectable 35-mile throttle range or 50 miles on PAS mode, making it ideal for daily trips or leisurely rides. The bike includes an LCD display showing real-time stats like speed, battery life, and pedal assist level, plus a USB port for convenient charging on the go. Safety is enhanced with dual disc brakes, front suspension, and front-rear lights for improved visibility. With a durable carbon steel frame, adjustable seat, fitting riders from 5'4" to 6'5" ifnam, and 350 pounds weight capacity, this bike caters to various body types. Delivered 90% assembled and backed by a 12-month warranty, the ACTBEST Core offers excellent value for urban commuters seeking comfort, control, and efficiency. The Heybike Ranger 2.0 electric bike is a thoughtfully upgraded folding e-bike designed for versatile all-terrain use. Powered by a peak 1400-watt motor, it delivers impressive acceleration and strong climbing capability, allowing riders to confidently tackle hills and rough paths. Its 20-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires offer excellent grip and stability across diverse surfaces like sand, mud, and even snow, making it ideal for both urban commuting and off-road adventures. The bike's 600-watt-hour removable battery ensures solid range and quick charging for daily convenience, while integrated front and rear lights enhance safety during night rides. Comfort is a clear priority. An oversized padded seat and front suspension system provide a smooth, cushioned experience even on bumpy terrain. The foldable step-through frame is user-friendly, enabling easy storage, transport, and accessibility, especially for older riders or those with mobility challenges. Practical additions like the sturdy rear rack support luggage needs, and the 7-speed gear system shifts smoothly, offering flexibility for various riding conditions. Overall, the Ranger 2.0 excels in performance, comfort, and thoughtful design for riders seeking adventure and everyday utility. The Jasion EB5 electric bike offers an impressive balance of commuter convenience and mountain bike durability. Powered by a peak 500-watt brushless motor, it reaches speeds up to 20 miles per hour, making city commutes quicker and more efficient. Its 360-watt-hour removable battery provides a respectable range of 25 to 40 miles per charge, easily covering daily travel needs. The removable design adds charging flexibility, whether at home or the office. Equipped with 4 riding modes, pure electric, pedal assist, pass, manual, and booster, the EB5 adapts to various riding conditions, from effortless cruising to fitness-focused pedaling. The upgraded LCD display offers clear, customizable riding data including ODO, average, max speed, and adjustable PAS levels. For comfort and control, the EB5 features 26-inch puncture-resistant tires, a high-strength front fork suspension, and a reliable 7-speed gear system, handling both city streets and light off-road terrain. Safety is enhanced by dual mechanical disc brakes and front-rear lights. The lightweight 49.6 pounds frame, crafted from durable high-carbon steel, offers stability with a sleek, minimalist design, ideal for urban riders seeking an affordable, practical e-bike. The Paselec GS9 electric bike delivers an exceptional blend of power, range, and versatility for serious riders. Featuring a 750-watt brushless motor, peaking at 1,000 watt, this e-bike offers thrilling speeds up to 35 miles per hour in pedal assist mode, with 65 Nm torque allowing it to tackle steep 30 degrees inclines effortlessly, ideal for both city commuting and rugged mountain trails. A robust 48-volt 16-hour, 768-watt-hour removable battery ensures a remarkable range of up to 70 miles, with fast 4 to 6 hour charging. Riders benefit from 5 riding modes, including pure electric, pedal assist, cruise control, and walk assist, making the GS9 adaptable for various situations. The dual hydraulic suspension and 8-speed gear system enhance control and comfort on diverse terrains, while 27.5-inch puncture-resistant tires provide excellent grip. Safety is assured with dual hydraulic disc brakes for responsive stopping power even in adverse conditions. The LCD display offers real-time ride data, and thoughtful touches like a headlight, quick-release wheels, and leather seat boost overall user experience. The aluminum frame supports up to 330 pounds, combining strength with a sleek design. The Vivi Ace 01 electric bike is a powerful and versatile fat tire e-bike engineered for both adventure and daily commutes. With a 750 watts motor peaking at 1475 watts and 90 newton-meters of torque, it offers impressive power for climbing hills and navigating rough terrain, reaching speeds up to 25 miles per hour. A 48-volt 15 amp-hour removable battery ensures a range of 40 to 60 miles and charges fully in 4 to 6 hours with the included 3A charger. Its UL 2849 certification adds safety assurance. A standout feature is the torque sensor, which adjusts power delivery based on pedaling effort for smoother, more natural riding and improved battery efficiency. The dual hydraulic brakes and adjustable front suspension enhance control and safety, while the 26-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires provide excellent grip on snow, sand, gravel, and pavement. The 7-speed transmission and LCD display round out the high-quality build. With support for riders up to 330 pounds and 5 riding modes, the Vivi Ace Hero 1 offers a premium all-terrain experience with excellent comfort, power, and adaptability. The Gotrax Nefeli 16-inch folding electric bike is an ideal choice for urban commuters and casual riders seeking convenience and efficiency. Powered by a 350-watt brushless motor, it delivers a smooth top speed of 15.5 megawatt per hour. The 280.8 watt removable battery supports up to 15.5 miles in pure electric mode and over 28 miles with pedal assist, offering flexibility for varying trip lengths. Its foldable design makes storage and transport effortless, perfect for small apartments or mixed-mode commutes. Designed with rider comfort in mind, the bike features an adjustable seat and handlebars, complemented by front suspension and dual-disc brakes for enhanced control and safety on diverse road conditions. Riders can choose among 3 modes: pure electric, pedal assist, or manual pedaling, allowing for customizable riding experiences. Additional practical touches include a rear cargo rack for carrying essentials and a fast 5.5-hour charge time. Overall, the Gotrax Nefeli offers a compact, versatile, and user-friendly e-bike solution for those seeking a reliable, lightweight electric bike for city living. The Cybervelo 1000 Peak electric bike offers impressive power and versatility for riders seeking both daily commuting and off-road adventure. Equipped with a 1,000 watts, 1,500 watts peak, high-speed brushless motor, and a 7-speed transmission, this e-bike handles steep inclines and rugged terrain with ease, reaching speeds of 25 plus megawatt per hour. Its long-range battery delivers up to 85 miles, pass mode, ideal for extended rides on beaches, snow, hills, or city streets. The front fork spring shock absorbers, saddle shock absorption, and puncture-resistant tires ensure excellent comfort and stability even on uneven surfaces. Safety is prioritized with dual mechanical disc brakes and an ACTBEST system, offering reliable stopping power even on steep descents. The water-resistant color LCD display shows real-time stats such as speed, battery life, pass levels, and mileage, with an easy cruise control function. With 5 riding modes and 5 pedal assist levels, the Cybervelo 1000 adapts to different terrains and rider needs. Pre-assembled at 90% completion and backed by 24/7 customer service, this e-bike is a solid, affordable option for riders seeking power, range, and comfort under demanding conditions.